So good morning everyone. So in last class we have started our exercise 1. So in that second bit, first one I have solved, but second one, third and fourth I told you to do it as homework. So just I am doing the second, third and fourth on board. Just once you check whether you did correct or wrong. So here, so second one is a minus 2. A minus 2 will be equals to 6. So this one we have to find. So here a value we have to find. So what is the a value we have to find here? So what we have to do for this? So this a minus 2 is lying on left hand side and 6 is lying on right hand side. So we have to draw a tabular form first. Okay, so on that, this is a value. We are going to find the a value. Next is LHS part. What is LHS part? That is a minus 2. What is a minus 2 we have to find. And what is RHS part? RHS part is 6. And whether it is satisfied or not, that is yes or no. Okay, so from which numbers we have to solve first? We have from starting, that is from 0 we have to do. So first I am substituting in place of a as 0. Okay, so if you substitute in place of a as 0, 0 minus 2. What is 0 minus 2? From 0, if you subtract minus 2, that will be again minus 2 itself. So here it is 6. Minus 2 and 6 are not equal. So that is we have to know right here. Actually we have to write equal or not equal. So we will write that. Okay, so now first one is not equal. We got not equal for first one. Second one I am substituting it as 1. So 1 minus 2. From smaller number, if you subtract the bigger number, always the result will be negative form. That will be minus 1. So here minus 1 is not equals to 6. So here again not equal. Okay, next I am substituting it as 2. So 2 minus 2 will be equals to how much? 0. So 6 is not equals to 0. So again not equal. Next I am substituting 3. So 3 minus 2 will be equals to 1. 1 is not equals to 6. Again not equal. Next 4 we have to substitute. That is 4 minus 2 will be equals to 2. So 2 is not equals to 6. So again not equal. Next I am substituting it as 5. So 5 minus 2 is equals to how much? 3. So 3 is not equals to 6. So again not equal here. Next substitute it as 6. 6 minus 2 will be equals to how much? 4. So 4 is not equals to 6. So again not equal. Next 7. 7 minus 2 will be equals to 5. So 5 is not equals to 6. So we will write it as not equal itself. Next is 8. So 8 minus 2 is how much? 6. So 6 is equals to 6. So here we can write it as equal. So if you substitute in place of a as 8, then the LHS part and RHS parts are equal to each other. So what we can write here? A is equals to 6. Sorry, a is equals to 8 is a root of equation. So this is our second one. Okay, so next one is third question. Next is third question. So what is the third one here? Third one is 5m is equals to 15. So we have to substitute the m value now. So again draw a box. So first is m value we are finding. So m value. Next is LHS part, that is 5m is nothing but 5 into m. RHS part is what? 15. Next is equal or not equal. Okay, so first m value I am starting from 0. So if you substitute 0 in place of m, so that will be 5 into 0 is equals to 0. 0 is not equals to 15. So what we have to write? Not equal. Okay, now I am substituting 1. So 1, 5 into 1 is equals to 5. So 5 is not equals to 15. So not equal. Next, 2 substitute 2 in place of m. So 5 into 2 will be equals to 10. So 10 is not equals to 15. So write it as not equal. Next, third one, 5 into 3 will be equals to 15. So in this case, 15 is equals to 15. So we can write it as equal. So when you are substituting in place of m as 5, then the LHS part and RHS parts are equal here. So we can write that m is equals to 5 is a root of equation. So this is our third solution. Okay, so next one is fourth one. So what is the fourth equation? Fourth is 2n is equals to 14. Now we have to find the n value. Draw a tabular form. First is n value we are finding. So n value. Next is LHS part, that is 2 into n. Next is RHS part, that is 14. Equal or not equal? Okay, so first n value is how much here? First I am going to start from 0. Okay, so 2 into 0, what is the n value? 0. 2 into 0 will be 0. So 0 is not equals to 14. So we have to write not equal. Okay, so next is 1. 2 into 1 is equals to 2. 2 is not equals to 14. So not equal. Next is we have to substitute as 2. So 2 into 2 will be equals to 4. 4 is not equals to 14. So not equal. Next 3. So 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 6 is not equals to 14. So not equal. Next 4. 2 into 4 is equals to 8. 8 is not equals to 14. So not equal. 5. 2 into 5 is equals to 10. 10 is not equals to 14. So it is not equal. Next 6 we have to substitute. That is 2 into 6 is equals to 12. 12 is not equals to 14. So we will get it as not equal. Next 7. 2 into 7 will be equals to 14. 14 is equals to 14. So here we can write it as equal. So when you substitute n value as 7, you got it as the LHS part and RHS parts as equal. So what we can write here? N is equals to 7 is a root of equation. So this is our fourth bit, last bit in exercise 1. So we got the n value as 7. So we can call n is a root of a equation. So this is our first exercise. Next is second exercise. In second exercise I told you about transposing, and also without transposing method also I have told you. So by using that two methods we are going to solve our problems. That is exercise number 2. So next is exercise 2, first bit. In that first bit, so what is the first bit? Solve the following equation without transposing and check your answer. So without transposing, we have to solve the given variable, and also we have to check whether it is a correct answer or whether it is a wrong answer. So in that first one is what? X plus 5 is equals to 9. So what is the unknown variable here? X is the unknown variable. So which number we are going to find? Always it should be alone. So we have to make that variable alone. So it should not be linked with any number, any numerical value. So we have to remove all the numerical values which are linked with that variable. So here X is linked with 5. Okay, so this 5 should be removed. We have to eliminate that 5. So how to eliminate that? So see here, given X plus 5 is equals to 9. So I want to eliminate this plus 5. So plus transpose is what? Minus. So we have to do minus 5 on both the sides. So that is X plus 5 minus 5 is equals to 9 minus 5. So we are balancing on both the sides. So this minus 5 we are balancing on both the sides. So plus 5 minus 5 will get cancelled. So X is equals to 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. So we got the X value as 4. So whether this X is equals to 4 is correct or not, we have to check. So what we have to do now? Verification we have to do. That is X plus 5 is equals to 9. So what is the X value we got? 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. 4 plus 5 is how much? 9 is equals to 9. So you got the LHS is equals to RHS. So what we did, that is correct. So whenever the LHS part and RHS parts are equal, what is the answer we got? That will be a correct answer. So next one. Second one is y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. So again y value we have to find. So y is linked with minus 12. So that minus 12 we have to eliminate. So what is the transpose of minus? That will be plus. So we have to add plus 12 on both the sides. That is on LHS part and as well as RHS part. So solution. Given y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. So y minus 12 plus 12 is equals to minus 5 plus 12. So plus 12 I have added on both the sides. Okay. So plus 12 minus 12 will get cancelled. So y value will be minus 5 plus 12 is how much? Minus 5 plus 12 will be equals to 7. That is minus into plus is minus. 12 minus 5 is 7. Bigger number sign is plus. So we got the y value as 7. Now verification we will do whether we got the correct answer or not. So verification. So y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. Y value we got as 7. 7 minus 12 is equals to minus 5. So from smaller number you can't subtract the bigger number. So if you are doing that, the answer will be in the form of negative. That is minus 5 is equals to minus 5. So here we got LHS value is equals to RHS value. So what we did, that is a correct answer. So next one. So third solution. So what is the third question? That is 3x plus 4 is equals to 90. So now with this x, two different numbers are linked, that is 4 and 3. So first we will eliminate 4, after that we will eliminate this 3. So how to eliminate that we will see. So given 3x plus 4 is equals to 90. So first we have to eliminate plus 4. What is the transpose of plus? That will be minus. So we have to subtract minus 4 on both the sides. Okay. So that will be 3x plus 4 minus 4 will be equals to 19 minus 4. Okay, minus 4 I have added on both the sides. So plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. What is remaining now? 3x is equals to 19 minus 4 will be 15. Okay, now 3 and x is in the form of multiplication. What is the transpose of multiplication? That will be division. So we have to divide this 3 on both the sides. That will be 3x by 3 is equals to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So what is the x value? We got it as 5. Now whether we got the same answer, what we did, the answer is correct or not, we have to check. So how you will check? By doing verification. So verification now. So what is that? 3x plus 4 is equals to 90. In place of x we have to substitute 5. So 3 into 5 plus 4 is equals to 19. 3 5s is 15 plus 4 is equals to 19. So 15 plus 4 is how much? 19 is equals to 19. So we got the LHS part is equals to RHS part. So what we did, that is a correct answer. Okay, so this is our third solution. Next is fourth one. So what is fourth one? 9z is equals to 81. Now z is linked with only one number, that is 9. And the relation between 9 and z is what? Multiplication. So what is the transpose of multiplication? Division. So we have to divide 9 on both sides now. So 9z by 9 is equals to 81 by 9. So 9 will get cancelled. 9 ones are 9 nines are. So what is the z value? You got it as 9. So whether it is correct or not, we have to verify now. So verification. Okay, so that is 9z is equals to 81. 9 into z value we got as 9 is equals to 81. So 9 nines are 81 is equals to 81. So we got the LHS part is equals to RHS part. So what we did, that is a correct answer. Okay, so next one, fifth one. So what is fifth one? 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. So again here we have to find the x value. So how to find the x value? First I am eliminating this plus 8. So how to eliminate this plus 8? Plus transpose is minus. So we have to add minus 8 on both the sides. So your solution given is 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. So what we are adding? We are adding minus 8 on both the sides. So 3x plus 8 minus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2 minus 8. So minus 8 plus 8 will get cancelled. So 3x is equals to 5x plus 2 minus 8 will be minus 6. Okay. Now which value I have to eliminate? I want to eliminate this 5x. So what I am doing? This 5x, this is a plus value. For eliminating this 5x, I have to subtract 5x on both the sides. So 3x minus 5x is equals to 5x minus 5x minus 6. So I have subtracted minus 5x on both the sides. So here plus 5x minus 5x will get cancelled. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is how much? Minus 2. Minus 2x is equals to minus 6. Okay, now it is in the form of multiplication. That means for subtracting, for eliminating minus 2, we have to divide minus 2 on both sides. So minus 2x by minus 2 is equals to minus 6 by minus 2. Minus 2 will get cancelled. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, minus will get cancelled. So what is the x value we got it as? We got it as 3. Now we have to check whether we got the correct answer or not. So for that, verification. So what is the question? 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. So whenever the LHS part and RHS parts, you will get it as equal. Then what we did, that will be a correct answer. So substitute in place of x as 3. So 3 into 3 plus 8 is equals to 5 into 3 plus 2. In place of x, I am substituting 3. So 3 3s are 9 plus 8 is equals to 5 3s are 15 plus 2. Okay, so 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 will be 17. So 17 is equals to 15 plus 2 is 17. So we got the LHS part is equals to RHS part. So what we did, that is a correct answer. Okay, so this is our 5th question. Next is last one in this bit. So last one, that is 6th solution, 6th question. So 6th is 5y plus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10. So first, which alphabet I have to find? I have to find the variable, that is y. Okay, so now which number I have to eliminate? I have to eliminate this plus 10. So what is the transpose of plus? That will be minus. So we have to subtract 10 on both sides now. So that is given 5y plus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10. So plus 10 means we have to subtract 10 on both sides. So 5y plus 10 minus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10 minus 10. Okay, plus 10 minus 10 will get cancelled. What is the remaining? 5y is equals to 4y minus 10 will be minus 20. Okay, now which number I have to eliminate? I have to eliminate 4y. So how to eliminate? This is plus 4y. So I have to subtract 4y on both the sides. So 5y minus 4y is equals to 4y minus 4y minus 20. Okay, now here plus 4y minus 4y will get cancelled. 5 minus 4 is 1y is equals to minus 20. So what is the answer here? Y value is, we got it as 20. 1y is nothing but y itself. So whether we got the correct answer or not, we have to check. So by using verification. Okay, so what is verification? What is the question here? 7y plus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10. So in place of y, we have to substitute minus 20 here. So 5 into minus 20 plus 10 will be equals to 4 into minus 20 minus 10. Okay, so 5 4s are, 5 2s is 10, that will be 100 minus 100 plus 10 will be equals to 4 2s are 8. 8 is nothing but minus 80 minus 10. Okay, 100 minus 10 will be 90. So bigger number sign is minus. So minus 90, minus 80 minus 10. Minus 80 minus 10 will be minus 90 again. So the LHS value and RHS values are equal. So we can say that what we got the answer, that is a correct answer. So we got the y value as minus 20. Okay, so this is our first bit by using without transposing. Without transposing is nothing but balancing method. Okay, so next is second bit. Second bit, Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your answer. Now we have to do the method as transposing method. So what is transposing method? Plus will be converted to minus, minus will be converted to plus, and if it is multiplication it will be transposed to division. If it is a division it will be transposed to multiplication. So here second bit. First one is what? 2 plus y is equals to 7. So we have to find this y value. For finding this y value, no number should be linked with this y. So we have to transpose this plus 2 to other side. If it is a plus, if you transpose that plus, that will be in the form of minus. So solution given 2 plus y is equals to 7. So if you transpose this plus 2 to other side, that will be changed to minus y. So y is equals to 7 minus 2. So y is equals to 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. So we have to verify now. So what is the question? 2 plus y is equals to 7. Y value you got it as 5. So 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. 7 is equals to 7. So we can say that the LHS part is equals to RHS part. So what we did, that is a correct answer. Okay. So next one. Second one. Second one is what? 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. Now we have to find the a value. And a is linked with two different numbers, that is 2 and minus 3. So first we will eliminate minus 3. We will transpose minus 3. After that 2 we will transpose. So solution given 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. So if you transpose this minus 3 to other side, that will change to plus. So 2a is equals to 5 plus 3. Okay, now what is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. So 2a is equals to 8. Now again a should be alone, that means 2 should be transposed. 2 is in the form of multiplication, so if you transpose this 2 to other side, that will be converted to division. So a is equals to, I am transposing this 2 to other side. 8 by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So a value you got it as 4. Now we have to check the verification. So verification is what? 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. A value we got as 4. So 2 into 4 minus 3 is equals to 5. 2 4s is 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5 is equals to 5. So we got the LHS value is equals to RHS value. So what we did, that is a correct answer. So this is our second one. So next one, third one. 10 minus q is equals to 6. Now we have to find the q value. So 10 we have to transpose now. So given 10 minus q is equals to 6. If you transpose this plus 10 to other side, that will be converted to minus. So minus q is equals to 6 minus 10. So minus q is equals to 6 minus 10. From smaller number, if you subtract the bigger number, the result will be in the form of negative. 10 minus 6 is 4. My bigger number sign is minus. So minus minus will get cancelled. Q value is how much now? 4. So now what we did, that is correct or not, we have to check. So verification I am doing. That is 10 minus q is equals to 6. In place of q I have to substitute 4. So 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 is equals to 6. So we got the LHS value is equals to RHS value. So what we did, that is a correct answer. Okay. So next question is next question, fourth one. So what is fourth one? 2t minus 5 is equals to 3. So I have to find the t value now, and t is linked with minus 5 as well as with 2. So first I want to eliminate, I want to transpose this minus 5. So solution given 2t minus 5 is equals to 3. So if you transpose this minus 5 to other side, that will become plus. So 2t is equals to 3 plus 5. So 2t is equals to 3 plus 5 is 8. Now t is linked with 2 also. So we have to transpose the 2 to other side. Now if you transpose 2 to other side, that will be in the form of division, because it is here it is in the form of multiplication. So if you transpose this 2 to other side, that will become division. So 8 by 2, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So t value is how much here? 4. Now what we got, it is correct or not, we have to check. So verification, 2t minus 5 is equals to 3. In place of t we have to substitute 4. So 2 into 4 minus 5 is equals to 3. 2 4s are 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. 8 minus 5 is 3 is equals to 3. So we got the LHS value is equals to RHS value. So this is our fourth one. So in this case also what we got, the answer is correct. So remaining problems will continue in next class. Thank you.